Old school mechanic methods being lost to the younger generation. This right here is a bearing packer, and they don't know how to pack bearings without a bearing packer. And yes, a bearing packer works great. Does everybody own a bearing packer? No, but almost everybody owns a pair of hands. Method that's been used for over 100 years, a couple hundred years. I don't know how long tapered roller bearings have been around, any type of bearing. You got to pack the grease in between the rollers. Let's go. Just because you've never heard of a method or understand how it works doesn't mean you should be calling somebody an idiot, a clown, or a douche on the internet. Gotta show these young, I guess I gotta break it down in slow motion. Let's break it down in slow motion. Here's some grease in my palm. I'll try to explain this as simple as possible. Here is a tapered bearing with rollers. Check out the seam of the bearing. You see the seam of the bearing. Let's look at this side right here. See the seam? As you hit this bearing on your palm, you're hitting it in a motion like this, which spins the rollers. Works better without gloves. Gloves makes it slippery. Using your bare skin really pushes the roller as you spin. Now, watch right here, the seam of the bearing between the inner race and the outer cage. Watch. Hitting it, spinning the rollers. Do you see that grease? See the lip of the grease coming out? You see that? The grease is rolling in these rollers, getting packed into the roller between the cage and the inner race. Where does the grease have to go once it's full inside there? Out the seam, out the seam. See that right there? Let's flip it over. We're going to use a spot with just a little bit of grease, just thin. Hitting it, you're going to hit it and roll. Hit it and roll. Hit it and roll. The rollers are rolling. I can feel them roll against my palm. See that? It packs. See? That's called packing a bearing. This is old school style. See? See that? I rubbed the grease out just so I could show you. See how it's packing in there? In between there? That's called packing a bearing. This is a method that's been used for 100 or 200 years on bearings, however long bearings have been out. Before bearing packers, yes, you get your fancy new tools that are out these days, and that's the way you were taught in automotive school, automotive teacher, whatever. This is old school. You've never seen it before. That doesn't mean you should just be a dick on the internet. So see, they won't roll if you just slide it right there, but when you smack and roll, smack and roll. Do it with bare skin for better efficiency, better roll of the roller. So you're hitting it, see the cracks in the rollers? That grease is being scooped up and it's being rolled, packed in, and then it shoots out the end. That's how you know you're packed in that area. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you learned something. Love you. Bye.